How to create Google account on Android. I'll show you exactly how to create one, step by step. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. Then select Manage Accounts. Now tap Add Account and choose Google. When the Google sign-in screen appears, tap Create Account, then select For My Personal Use. Now enter your first name and last name, then tap Next. After that, enter your date of birth and gender, and tap Next again. Next, choose one of the suggested Gmail addresses, or tap Create Your Own Gmail address to make a custom one. If the username is already taken, simply try another one until it's available. Now create a strong password and tap Next. If you're asked to add a phone number, you can add one for better account security, or tap Skip if that option is available. Finally, review your account details, tap Next, then scroll down and tap I agree to accept Google's terms. And that's it. Your new Google account has been successfully created and added to your Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel,